I'm at this new Ryobi. That seems okay. Yeah, it's all plastic, but this pops right in. Little plastic here. Runs pretty good though. Work on a finish nailer. 120 pounds. The tank and on the outlet. Little battery right here. Yeah, charging up that battery. Got my new flashlight. My new saw blade. Yep. Looking pretty good. Charging that battery over there. Got this charger right here. Oh yeah. Running pretty good. Got the motor mounts done. We'll see what happens with that. We'll see what happens with that timing chain and that gear. Might have to change that timing chain in here. Got the big 75,000 miles. I don't know. But I'll tell you, I'm going to change it at 100,000. I'm not going to put up with it. It'll lose time. It'll stretch out. Then I'll be done. I'm going to put that new timing chain and gear in here. And change the water pump too.